Although technically the BBC iPlayer and all UK TV stations online are only available in the UK, in reality it is relatively simple to bypass the region locking operated by the BBC iPlayer application. There are several methods to bypass all these blocks. One of the simplest is something called Smart DNS. And here's how you set it up. Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to set up Smart DNS on your computer. Now, I'm going to set it up on Windows 7, but it's kind of similar on most Windows PCs and indeed on any other device. Okay, let's get started. We go into Control Settings and we go to Network and Internet, and we go to the Network and Sharing Center and we go to something Local Area Connection, and we go to this button here, Properties, and then we're looking for Internet Protocol version, TCP/IP version 4. Click on that and then Properties. Now it'll vary slightly on different versions of Windows and Mac, but basically you're looking for the TCP/IP settings, your network settings for whatever device you're using. On a Windows PC it's a little fiddly to find, but they're in similar places. On network devices like smart TVs and phones, it's normally just under network settings. You're looking for DNS servers. Now you're basically looking for, put in here your 2 smart DNS servers. Now you need to subscribe to a service that provides this, okay? And they will give you these settings here, so you just put them in there and click on OK and close, and that's basically it. From this point you'll be able to watch BBC iPlayer, UK TV or anything you like, irrespective of your location. So this is we're focusing on the BBC here. If you haven't got a BBC account, you'll have to go and set up your BBC account there. Just fill it in as normal. Make sure you've done the Smart DNS first and fill it in. The only thing you need to be a little bit sneaky about is the postcode. Put a UK postcode in there. It will check to see it's a UK postcode. I'll show you the last little step I need in my particular provider, which is called Smart DNS Proxy. You basically just have to go in here and activate your IP address. So I've got a subscription, but I have to give my IP address permission to use these servers, unless it won't work unless you do that. So I just basically just say activate. It says reactivate there because I've already done it. The only time I'd need to go and change that is if I change my IP address, so if I was using it from a different place or a different connection, or I'd rebooted my DSL modem or something and I'd got a new IP address. Okay, and that's all you need to it. Just remember, you're just changing the DNS settings. Basically, if you can find out where that is, that's all you need to do. Okay, right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. It works on all versions of Windows, and it's fine on any Mac too. You can also use it on mobile phones, tablets, media devices, and even smart TVs. Basically any device where you can get to the network settings. Just configure your device once and then enjoy British tea wherever you are. There's even a free trial for my favourite service. You can get the link from dnsproxy.co.uk. Give it a go.